Now, what is the meaning of different sections of IPv6? Because it seems complicated at first sight, but it's not if you understand each part. So we'll take the same example. This is a very simple example, 16-bit I showed you, 128 bits how it has come. So one of these, which is the, one of the first part. The 2 is the global unicast address indicator. What it is referring? It is referring to sending message to a single network destination, which is identified by a unique address, which is this whole address. So the first number, or you can say the first in that field or group, the first hexadecimal value is corresponding to the global unicast address indicator. The second one, which is complete 001 here, I am taking the first one only, first group. 001, this is corresponding to a region. It can be Africa, it can be Latin America, like that. We have 0DB8 here, and this in this example is called the local internet registry, or LIR. Or also you can just say that it is the identification of the internet service provider, ISP. The AC10, this is for you, who is the customer. So AC, there is a service provider, there will be a customer also, AC10, that is corresponding to it. Then we have FE01, this is a subnet. So there are different networks, the networks have their subnetwork that are called as subnets. Okay, subnetwork. So that is the number FE01. And after that we have 4 more of these numbers, which are, or the hexadecimal numbers separated by column. This whole is a 64-bit extended unique identifier, EUI64. Okay, extended unique identifier, and this is especially for your computer, your system. So this unique EUI64, which is a 64-bit IP version 6 interface identifier, this is assigned directly to the host, that is your computer, without any manual configuration or even DHCP. You don't have to do DHCP or manual configuration. It is assigned like that. So this is the final part, which is called as EUI64. That is how you can remember.